The health benefits of okra water and how to make this yourself at home. 1. Okra is a green vegetable which is known as lady's fingers and can be used to make a powerful healing drink for the body. 2. To make okra water, simply slice 4 okra pods thinly using a sharp knife. Add these to a jar with 1 litre of water. Soak these overnight in the refrigerator and drink the following day. 3. Many people drink okra water for diabetes as it reduces sugar levels in the blood and helps the body to produce insulin. 4. Okra water contains vitamin A, C and magnesium. These nutrients help the body to produce red blood cells and treat those suffering with anemia. 5. It is also an excellent source of calcium, which helps to regulate your heart rate, blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It is also essential for the teeth and bones. 6. A person suffering with a sore throat or a cough can drink okra water to alleviate the problem very quickly. The antiseptic properties of the drink heal the throat and destroy harmful bacteria. 7. If you are suffering with a bout of diarrhea, simply drink a cup of okra water to replenish the minerals you have lost and rehydrate the body. 8. This also helps to treat constipation by lubricating the large intestines. This naturally reduces the risk of bowel cancer and prevents the need for laxative drugs. 9. This water was often drank in the Congo traditionally to help pregnant women to have a smooth pregnancy with a safe delivery. The folate within the drink helps this process along. 10. Okra is also an excellent source of soluble fibre which reduces the amount of cholesterol in the bloodstream. This will help to prevent the arteries from calcifying, helping you to maintain a healthy heart. 11. Drinking this regularly also boosts the body's immune system against diseases and infections. The antioxidants and vitamin C in okra water helps to strengthen this mechanism. 12. Many Olympic athletes consume okra regularly for its great range of health benefits. It helps to strengthen the body and promote stamina and endurance. 13. Polysaccharides within the water also help to open the blood vessels and promote blood flow around the body. This is helpful in conditions such as arthritis, erectile dysfunction and chronic headaches. 14. Drinking 4 cups of okra water per day is an excellent way to detoxify the body. This produces healthier skin within 1 to 2 weeks. The antioxidants work quickly to heal acne and other skin conditions. 15. We recommend soaking your okra in a good quality spring or mineral water. This will add additional benefits in hydrating your body and boosting electrolyte levels. 16. To learn more about healthy natural remedies such as this, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.